Las Vegas-based The Animal Foundation says its community pet food pantry is critically low and is pleading for urgent donations. Volunteers note that every bag or can donated goes directly to local pets whose owners are struggling to afford food. Donors can help by purchasing items from the pantry's Amazon wish list and having them shipped directly to the pantry. The appeal, posted on the Animal Foundation's X account, stresses urgent need and provides the wish list link. The drive underscores ongoing needs for pet food assistance in the community, with more information available through Fox 5.